Good morning, dear students. I hope you must have read the chapter The 100 Dresses Part 1 by Eleanor Estes. Okay, so today I am going to take up the continuation of the same chapter, that is The 100 Dresses Part 2. Now, in this chapter, we are going to see what happened when Wanda Petronsky was bullied. As you saw in the first chapter, she was bullied by Peggy and Maddie. So when her classmates or the school girls in which she was studying bullied her, teased her for so many things, and they also Peggy also played a game of 100 dresses, and this 100 dresses was just a game to make her feel that she was poor and she did not have those many dresses. But when she was teased, Wanda used to say that she had 100 dresses lined up in her wardrobe. One day when she was not seen, she did not come to school. They all were restlessly looking for her. They looked for her. Why? Not because they were friendly to her. They wanted to make fun of her. Okay? Now, as I told you yesterday, this is the real time, the personal experience of the author, because she belonged to Poland and she was a Polish immigrant. She had come to stay in America, in the place Connecticut, and there she found in that school that discrimination was being made between the various people, that is various class and communities of the people. So her absence made everyone curious why she did not come, and more so because she had won the prize. At the end of the first chapter part, you will come to know that the teacher announced the name of Wanda Petronsky, who had won the first prize in her art competition because she had made the picture of and painted them picture of 100 dresses. And that is why the title of the story is The 100 Dresses. Now, in the second part, you will come to know that how the second part begins is that the teacher reads an information or a letter which she had received from Wanda's father. When the children were watching the art, as the teacher had asked them to line up and see the paintings of the winners in the classroom, she got a letter from Wanda's father informing that Wanda Petronsky will not come to the school because they were moving to a big city where there was no discrimination like this. Wanda's father had written a note to the teachers saying that she will not come to this school and nor her brother will attend the school because the students bullied her for various reasons, because her name was so difficult to pronounce, because she had a different look, because she used to wear only one dress, maybe she was because of her poverty. So all these reasons were there for which the children bullied her, and therefore her father decided that he will take them to a big city and where there will be no discrimination. And when this teacher read the letter and announced this or informed the children, they were all very sad, especially Peggy and Maddie. And the teacher was also very sad because Wanda was a talented girl. So what if she was poor, but she had a talent? She was very good at art. And at that time, Peggy and Maddie also felt that it was very bad on their part, it was cruel on their part to bully her. Now, the theme in this chapter is of repentance, regret, remorse, as expressed by Maddie and Peggy. But at the same time, there is a theme of friendliness, forgiveness, and that is from, yes, you guessed it right, it is from Wanda Petrinsky. Now, when it was the last day of the school, the teacher again received a letter from Wanda, this time from Wanda Petrinsky, and she read the letter in the class and told Peggy and Maddie that Wanda wanted her paintings of 100 dresses to be given to Peggy and Maddie, that as a gift. Now, what do you understand about Wanda Petrinsky? What type of a girl was she? Normally, what do? If somebody bullies us, we have a kind of feeling of revenge, or if you're not bold, you become complexed, and that due to that complex, you don't like to talk to anybody, you're not friendly, there is no sense of forgiveness, you want to or you make a group of another students and then you try to tease them. We do all this. This is the common behavior. We hardly do we think that if somebody is bullying us, if we behave in the same manner, what shall happen? No. You don't have to behave in the same manner. You have to be kind, polite, and the matter is solved there. Everything goes in a different way, in a different direction. And this is what happened. When Wanda Petrinsky gave her or expressed her wish to give her art piece or the drawing or the painting of 100 dresses to Maddie and Peggy, Maggie and Peggy really felt sorry for what they had done. Now, in the first chapter, if you have read it, you must have found that Maddie was already having a feeling, that they should not tease. She should stop Peggy from teasing or bullying Wanda. But Maddie did not do it because she herself was poor, and she also used to wear hand-me-on dresses from Peggy. She thought if they stopped Peggy from bullying Wanda, then they will start bullying her because she's also poor, and she did not want to be the target. Therefore, she did not say anything. Instead, she was a person who joined hands with Peggy to bully and tease Wanda. But now, in this second part, you will understand how the author has described a change of heart, how Maddie feels that they should write a letter and they should stop Wanda from going from that city, and they also go to Boggins, the place where she was staying. There, when they reached there, the house was locked. They had already left. Now they were really feeling very sad, but they couldn't do anything. And when they got the gift from Wanda, They looked at it and they felt that it also had their faces painted on that with the dress, the beautiful dress. Wanda had painted Peggy's face on one and Maddie's face on one. What does this show about Wanda? Was she revengeful? Did she hate them? No. She loved them. She liked them very much. And she was not at all revengeful. She didn't want to take revenge on them. Instead, she had given them a gift. And that is a gesture of friendliness. She wanted to be friendly to them. So this is how we come to know that how a person can be changed. If a person is cruel, a person is bullying you, then how you can change his or her feelings. Okay? Now what happened? Which color dress was given to Peggy? Which color dress was given to Maddie? And how did they feel? All this you will read the chapter and find out. I'm not going to tell you that. So read the chapter till the end and find out what happened. Okay? And please follow the video. Thank you. So now these are the points of the summary of the chapter, which is a quick revision of it. Miss Mason, the teacher, read out the letter written by Wanda's father informing them about the absence of Wanda and Jack from their school to the classroom. The Petronsky family decides to settle in a big city so that their children don't suffer from funny pranks played by their classmates. The whole class, along with the teacher, got shocked with the content of the letter sent by Mr. Petronsky. The entire class got tensed and they felt bad about Wanda. Maddie was not able to concentrate on her studies. She felt that she is coward and never stopped Peggy from making fun of Wanda. She wanted to meet Wanda and made up her mind to go to her house and tell her that she has won the prize of drawing competition. When the school was over, Peggy and Maddie went to Boggins Heights. Both the girls found her house, but they could not meet her as they had already left the place. Peggy tried to defend her behavior, but Maddie is not satisfied. On Saturday, both Peggy and Maddie wrote a letter to Wanda telling her she had won the contest. Days passed, but there was no answer from Wanda. It was Christmas time when Miss Mason received a letter from Wanda. Wanda had written a letter that the girls could keep those 100 dresses because in her new house she had 100 new ones. She had gifted special drawing to Peggy and Maddie. Maddie found that the face in the drawing looked like her. She went to Peggy's house and saw her drawing too. She made up her mind to go to her house and tell her found that the face and head of the drawing looked like their face and head. Peggy consoled herself by saying that Wanda really liked them. Maddie agreed and blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda Petronsky.